guys met my friend Torque Wrench?
Torque Wrench here.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna go do some burnout.
Hell yeah, let's do it.
Okay. You can't with me. I eat French fried potatoes, damn it. When I pull in the damn bike meat, they're all looking at me, because I go. That's my mating call. When I see a damn pretty ass woman, I go up to her and I go. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Wish I had me a nice Bud Light right now. Dilly dilly. Davidson. Me, by myself. Nobody else. I ride me a Harley Davidson, damn it. I ride me a Harley Davidson. Okay, slow her down, boy. Slow her down. I'm a badass motherfucking bike rider. You hear me? Damn it. I drive a damn Harley motherfucking Davidson. Damn it. You hear me, boy? I ride a Harley Davidson. I'm a badass, I ride Harley Davidson. I ride a Harley Davidson. We're at the gas station. We're gonna fill it up with gas. We got this Harley gas. You hear me? We're gonna fill this motherfucker up with Harley gas. Cause when you fill this up with Harley gas, boy, you gonna fly. You better hold on to your damn seat, boy. You see this right here? That's Harley motherfucking Davidson. You hear me? Now, when you ride a Harley damn Davidson, you're a badass. Hold on one second. Gotta get this damn gas. Okay. We ride Harleys. All right, we're gonna go have some Bud Lights. We'll be back. We'll be back. We'll be back later. Should have just scooted over here with them Harleys. Yeah. You wanna go there with our brothers? We can just lane split right here and get with them brothers. Oh, Harley Davidson boy.
Fucking roll around with a damn cigarette in their mouth.
Harley Davidson boys, we spit whenever we want. We got some Harley boys right here. Harley Davidson boys. How you doing, brother? Hey, we're just alike. Oh yeah. Hey, brother, hey. Rock on, brother. Whoa, 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 wait a minute. Whoa, whoa, lady, whoa. Hold on 1 second. Whoa, 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 whoa. You know what I'm talking about, brother? Give me a hell yeah, brother. Hey, yes, sir. Give me a hell yeah, brother. Hey, give me a hell yeah. Hell yeah. Give me a hell yeah, brother. Give me a hell yeah. Yeah. Hey, brother. Y'all need to get you a real bike. Hell yeah, brother. Hey. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. Woo! When you're riding a Harley Davidson, you got a mean mug everywhere. See, you got a mean mug. You know why you got a mean mug? Because you just spent $30,000 on 65 horsepower. That's why you got a mean mug everywhere like this. You're mad all the time. And you're like Donald Trump, beer and guns. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Woo! Got a mean mug. You can't have no see Hondas, see Suzuki's, Kawasaki's, Yamahas. No. Gotta be Harley Davidson. And that's all I got to say about that. Damn it. Hell yeah, brother. Does my hair look good? What y'all think about my hair?
It looks great, man.
I try to get that Billy Ray Cyrus going on, you know what I mean? Hey, brother. Damn right. Hell yeah. How you doing, brother? Riding a Harley. That's just how it is. That's just how it was. And that's just how it's gonna be. And that's just how it is, baby. If y'all don't like it, it don't matter. What's going on, brother? How you doing? Praise hell, praise Dale, baby. Yeah. How y'all doing up there? Right, yeah. How y'all doing? Hey, raise hell, brother. When you're so damn mad. You know what I mean? Mad like hell. How you doing, brother? Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Raise hell, praise down, brother. Raise hell, praise down. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Praise down, baby. Hell yeah.
That's my man.
Got a $2, and I got a Walmart gift card with $10 on it. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah.